Speaking of Elon, this is a twist. This is a change of pace here. Actually, this entire episode, death and
what are you talking about? We got
stolen cars.
Man of the Year.
You got Man of the Year, but now you're back to a suspicious death. Suspicious death reported
Person of the Year. Yeah.
at Tesla parking lot in Fremont, California. Local police and fire department said that a suspicious death occurred at the Tesla factory parking lot in Fremont, California on Monday afternoon. Firefighters responded to the Tesla facility and provided medical aid, but pronounced the subject deceased, and Fremont police are now investigating a possible homicide. Whoa!
Uh-oh.
Talking about a murder at the Tesla plant? Get ready.
Murder mystery.
Conspiracy theorists,
Tesla
Reddit is all fired up. Reddit's flying right now.
The sleuths?
Oh, man, everybody's sleuthing. Yeah. Local police, and on the same, around the same time that the CEO of the company is named Person of the Year?
Yeah.
I don't know about you, but I'm joking, guys. Well, I mean, I'm not joking. A person actually got killed over here. So I don't know if it's I mean, on December 13, 2021, approximately December 13th, okay, very recently, at approximately 3:26 p.m. That's a weird time, too. 3 in the afternoon. Fremont Fire Department personnel responded to Tesla on a report of a subject down in the parking lot. Firefighters provided medical aid and pronounced the subject deceased. Fremont police homicide investigators on the scene taken over the investigation, so they believe it's a homicide. The Fremont factory is Tesla's only U.S. vehicle assembly plant today. Well, obviously, they're working on the one in Austin, Texas, a Cybertruck facility. Yeah, because here's why. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Well, no, I mean, you're going to need credentials to get into that parking lot.
Yeah.
Right? Like I know that you're thinking, okay, there's a lot of people that work there. You're in a busy spot. I don't know, probably no big deal. But, Will, can you imagine in a parking lot somebody got murdered that worked here? Like, we wouldn't even be the same. Like, it would not be business as usual.
Yeah. I would try to find out why and how.
Man, so you got to believe that, like, internally, I mean, the story's currently developing. I'm sure new information is going to come out. And maybe it's unrelated to anything work-related, but it happens on the premises, and for sure people are going to be, their imagination's going to be flying. Mm-hmm. There's a lot of important people coming through there. I wonder if Elon is going to tweet about it. Check his Twitter real quick. This is kind of a big deal. I mean, I know it kind of happened recently, and maybe he has to stay away from it because you got to imagine it's... Yeah. Well, wait, 9 hours ago was before this report, right?
Oh, okay.
No, wait, 13th. What's today? 13th at 3:26. Today's never mind. It was yesterday. Yeah. He probably knew that report before he tweeted the Doge comment.
Yeah.
That's kind of weird.
So nothing there.
That's a weird observation with timing. So 3:26, the person is pronounced dead on the 13th.
Why am I laughing?
No,
it's just this tweet is
the tweet is very unrelated to that event, but I guess the story wasn't out yet. You wonder when he would have found out. Mm-hmm. If somebody dies at your factory in the parking lot, and it would
be immediate. I would
they think it's a murder. It's got to be pretty close to me,
especially when the news outlets.
Unless he has some type of weird sleep habit and didn't find out until. But anyway, yeah, very strange. Obviously, because it's Tesla, it makes news. And I'm sure we're going to find out more. Mm-hmm. And hopefully the suspect hopefully they have a suspect. And hopefully they catch whoever's responsible. I mean.
Yeah. Good luck.
I don't know, man. Talk about murder, man.
Yeah.
The Tesla Fremont. Weird.
Uh-huh.